If you're here listening to this, it's no accident. Something inside you is calling for repair, for calm, for realignment. So, right now, I invite you to settle in, breathe, and stay with me all the way through. What you're about to hear isn't flashy or dramatic. It's quietly transformative. The more present you are as you listen, the more these words will work within you. In the Buddhist tradition, healing isn't seen as a sudden miracle or something imposed from outside. It's a gentle return, a return to the natural balance of body, mind, and vital energy. Suffering, whether physical, mental, or emotional, isn't an enemy. It's a message. And that message almost always says the same thing. Something in you is living out of rhythm with life itself. Many people try to heal by adding more methods, more techniques, more promises. Buddhism often points the other way. Heal by subtracting, by simplifying, by stopping what drains you, and nurturing what soothes you. These 11 habits aren't about perfection or becoming a monk. They're about consistency and sincerity. Start where you are, imperfectly. That's enough. 1. Slow down intentionally. Not just your body, but your inner pace. Slow your reactions, your judgments, that invisible urgency to figure everything out, fix everything, control everything. The human body wasn't built for constant acceleration. Your nervous system burns out fast without moments to downshift. By slowing consciously, even for a few minutes a day, you send your body a clear signal. You are safe. Walk a little slower than usual. Eat without distractions. Breathe without rushing anywhere. Tensions begin to release without force. Pains lose their grip. The mind stops battling itself. It's subtle, but deeply restorative. 2. Observe pain without fighting it. This can be the hardest to accept. We've been taught all our lives to fight what hurts. But constant resistance often fuels the suffering. Observing doesn't mean resignation. It means stopping the extra layer of mental struggle on top of what's already there. When pain arises in body or mind, simply feel it without commentary, without story, without judgment. Where exactly is it? Is it sharp, dull, hot, cold, pulsing, steady? Does it shift as you breathe slowly? Often, what we call pain is amplified by fear, anticipation, and resistance. Remove those layers, and the sensation loses much of its power. 3. Follow your breath consciously. Not controlling it, just witnessing this natural movement that bridges body and mind. Each inhale welcomes life. Each exhale lets go. In many Buddhist traditions, the mind naturally settles where breath becomes aware. When the mind settles, the body begins to repair. Slow, deep breathing signals the nervous system. No immediate danger. Digestion improves, muscles relax, sleep deepens, and mental loops quiet. 4. Speak to yourself with kindness. Buddhism places huge emphasis on right speech, even the silent speech inside your head. Chronic illness often comes with a harsh inner voice. I should be better by now. My body is betraying me. I'm failing. Changing that voice isn't about lying or denying difficulty. It's about speaking to your body as you would to someone you truly want to see heal, with firmness, respect, clarity, without cruelty. This inner climate supports recovery, just as a calm environment aids healing. 5. Embrace impermanence. Much suffering lingers because we cling to fixed ideas. How life should be, how the body should function, how we should feel. Buddhism teaches that everything changes. Sensations, emotions, physical states arise, transform, pass away. When you truly internalize this, a deep relaxation happens. You stop gripping the present moment. You allow flow, and that natural movement is healing in itself. The body loves circulation. Energy loves to move. Fixation creates blocks. 6. Nourish yourself mindfully. Not just with food, but with every experience. In Buddhism, eating is a direct exchange with life's energy. Eating distracted, rushed, or stressed sends mixed signals to the body. Eat with full presence, even without changing the menu. Feel the textures, chew slowly, breathe between bites. This restores digestive efficiency and rebuilds trust between you and your body. You're no longer forcing, you're cooperating. 7. Practice true rest. Not distracted scrolling or restless sleep filled with thoughts, but conscious rest. In Buddhist tradition, rest is an active choice, temporarily stopping production, problem-solving, performing. Sit in silence with no agenda. Even a few minutes a day lets the nervous system exit survival mode. Many chronic tensions come not from overdoing, but from never truly stopping. 8. Allow emotions to pass through. Buddhism doesn't teach suppressing emotions, but not fully identifying with them. Strong feelings, anger, sadness, fear, often bring physical contractions, tight shoulders, shallow breath, closed belly. Recognize these signals without rejecting the emotion. Let it move like a wave. When you stop opposing it, what felt unbearable often loses intensity. The body relaxes, and associated pains ease. 9. Cultivate inner silence. Not just external quiet, but the silence where the mind stops commenting on every experience. Buddhism sees silence as medicine. It lets the mind reorganize naturally. Short periods without phone, music, or stimulation profoundly balance mental and emotional states. The body responds, heart rate steadies, breath deepens, tensions melt. The organism remembers its natural state. 10. Bring presence to ordinary actions. Transform everyday gestures into mindful practice. Walking becomes meditation. Washing becomes body awareness. Breathing becomes returning home. Fully inhabiting simple actions reduces mental scattering. When energy stops leaking everywhere, it gathers, and that gathered energy becomes available for healing. Exhaustion often comes not from doing too much, but from doing everything half-present. 11. Stop seeing yourself as broken. This final, quietest habit connects them all. True healing begins when you stop perceiving yourself as damaged, flawed, or incomplete. As long as you view yourself as someone to fix, the body stays tense, defensive, resistant. In this ancient wisdom, healing isn't about returning to before or meeting some ideal. It's recognizing that even amid pain, something in you remains whole, stable, present. This recognition transforms your relationship to body and mind. The nervous system relaxes, fear fades, and the inner ground becomes fertile for change. As you weave these habits in, even imperfectly, something shifts quietly. You stop living against yourself. No more war with sensations, emotions, limits. You enter deep cooperation with your own rhythm. And that's often where real healing begins, not as a fireworks show, but as a gentle slide toward peace. The body hears everything: how you hurry it, judge it, refuse to stop. But it also hears the softness you offer, the patience you grow, the respect for its cycles. Each habit repeats the message: you can release, you can breathe, you can mend. Over time, these stop being efforts. They become your way of being. You slow naturally, observe instead of react, breathe instead of tense, rest without guilt, welcome what passes without losing yourself. Your body can finally use its energy not for survival, but for regeneration. Remember, there's no failure here, only returning. Every time you notice you've sped up, tensed, judged, or forgotten, it's not a mistake. It's an invitation to come back. Healing isn't linear, it's alive. If these words touched something in you, even a small easing like this episode, subscribe and share it with someone who might need it. A single message at the right moment can change more than we realize. Most of all, remember, you don't have to become anything to be worthy of healing. You just have to stop fighting what you already are. That's where the true path begins.